Good morning, Shrine. Kulay? Kulay, chuk, 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 chuk. Kulay here. Shrine is coming here today, guys. Kay ato jud siyang gipagutom kay para maka-veg jud taog charon. Okay? Don't be scared. Na mahadlok manon. Don't be scared, Shrine, because they say they want only your value. No, iya pang isimhot-simhot, guys, kasi mahadlukin talaga siya. Kasi baka daw is may ano daw eh. Oh my gosh, ayaw talaga niya magkain, guys.